All right, 16226. This is a balcony cabin on the Carnival Celebration. We have all of these nice closets here for you to put all your stuff, and they include nice little hangers.
Happy birthday!
And more hangers. All those people that say there's never enough hangers, well, I think you're wrong. Hangers over here. And you gotta always remember on this ship, here's your little air conditioning thing by the front door. There you go. Hey, if it gets like me, I don't like a lot of light when I sleep. There's this little peephole cover thing, very cool. That way it can stop the light from shining in from outside. You don't have to put a Band-Aid over it anymore. And then your light thing, if you don't have this in, not gonna work. They give us this one in the room, so there you go. If your lights aren't working, that might be it. Then we work our way over here to the handy dandy bathroom. They kind of seem smaller on the Celebration. Maybe it's just the way the layout is. But what I do like is the fact that they actually got shower doors instead of those curtains that stick to you all the time when you're taking a shower. I always hated that. There's the bathroom. Then you got a little couch over there and this whole dresser area. All kinds of shelves there. Then a little mini fridge, which is not behind a door anymore, so that's kind of cool. It's right out in the open. These three little guys, and you got this handy seat here.
It lifts up.
Yeah, what's cool is this thing does lift up. See that? So you can put storage in there. Actually kind of looks like you can get a bunch of ice and beer and make it a nice chest. That's just my thought. Then you got a real TV. It's actually I don't know, about a 40-inch TV in here instead of a little 4-inch TV like they have in some of the other ships. And cool on the Celebration, we have now a lot of outlets and USB outlets and regular outlets, so that's kind of nice. You don't have to pack all of your little plugs like we did. And then there's a bed, obviously, and little nightstands next to them. Very cool that they have these little lights on them for night when you want to read or do whatever you do at night. One on both sides of the bed. Balcony. You can go out on the balcony and you have yourself a couple of chairs and a table and a nice view of Miami before we actually set sail. Very nice. And that is a Carnival Celebration balcony with the whole awesome view out the window here. Anyway, thanks for watching.